dumpster rental service in Florence, Colorado. When it comes to waste removal, time matters. That's why Red Rock Disposal offers a fast, reliable dumpster rental service in Florence, Colorado, to keep your project on track. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, managing a construction site, or just doing some serious decluttering, we've got the solution to fit your needs. Our locally owned and operated team at Red Rock Disposal understands that your time is valuable. That's why we pride ourselves on prompt delivery and pickup services. When you choose us, you're not just renting a dumpster, you're partnering with a company committed to making waste removal simple and stress-free. Our team is here to answer your questions, provide expert guidance, and ensure you have the correct dumpster rental service to handle any job. From household cleanouts to large-scale projects, Red Rock Disposal is the name you can trust. We take pride in serving the Florence community and supporting local projects of all sizes. Our commitment to reliability and customer satisfaction has made us a trusted partner for homeowners, contractors, and businesses. Ready to make waste removal easy? Call Red Rock Disposal today at 719-396-2723. Experience the convenience, reliability, and outstanding service that set us apart as the leading dumpster rental service in Florence, Colorado.